Okay, kids, we have learned safety at home. Now, see, we must follow some rules. How can we feel safe at our homes and what are the things we should follow? See them. First is do not play with switches. What is written? Read with me. Do not play with switches. Second, do not play with matchsticks or fire. Do not play with matchsticks or fire. Third is do not play with knives or blades. Do not play with knives or blades. Next is do not touch anything hot. Do not touch anything hot. And the last point is do not touch switches with wet hands. Do not touch switches with wet hands. Okay, now see, the first point is given to you, do not play with switches. We should never play with switches. Have you seen switches in your homes? Yes, these are the switches. We should never play with them. It's not good for us. Okay, the second point is do not play with matchsticks or fire. We should never play with the matchsticks or fire. These things can harm us. Okay. Third is do not play with knives or blades. We should never play with knives and blades. It can cut our fingers. We can get injury. So these are not good for us. The next point we have learnt is do not touch anything hot. Okay. We should never touch the things that are very hot. They can also harm us. Next is do not touch switches with wet hands. When you wash your hands, after that, do not touch the switches. You can get a shock. Okay, kids, it's not good for us. So there are some points that we have to follow at home. These are our safety rules. Okay, first we have learned do not play with the matchsticks or fire. Okay, the next is do not play with switches. Third is do not play with knives or blades. You should not play with any pointed things. Okay, kids. Next, do not touch that is anything hot. You should never touch the things that are very hot. And the last point we have learned is we should never touch the switches with our wet hands. These are some rules that we should follow so that we can feel safe at our homes. Okay, kids, these are the 5 points. Okay, I'm giving you one example. If you want to sharpen your pencil, okay, kids, I'm giving you 2 ways. First is you can sharpen your pencil with the help of blade, and second is you can sharpen your pencil with the help of sharpener. Okay, kids, which is the good way? You should sharpen your pencil with the help of blade. No, we have already discussed that we should never play with these pointed things. We should never play with blades. Okay, so which is the good way? Yes, we should always sharpen our pencil with the help of sharpener. Okay, so these are some points which you have to keep in mind. What are the things that are good for you and the things which are not good for you should always follow some safety rules for being feel protected at your homes. Okay kids, I hope you understood well. Now in the next class we will discuss the next points. Okay kids, now you have to learn all these points and read all these points very carefully. All the safety measures you should take at your homes. I'll send you one worksheet. First read all the sentences and then understand it well. Thank you.